Hi, today I will discuss ABG interpretation. I will discuss this ABG interpretation only in 3 steps. This lecture will be very important for NCLEX and for also clinical setup nurses. So before ABG interpretation, we have to understand this chart. There are so many methods for interpretation of ABG like Rome method or TikTok method, but this method is very simple. And before the discussion, I want to give thanks to Simple Nursing because I took this chart from Simple Nursing notes. This is our ABG interpretation chart. Before interpretation, we have to understand this chart setup first. I will discuss this chart setup phase by phase. There is 3 phases. In phase 1, I will discuss that chart setup. Chart setup. We can see if we on this chart there is 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. So that we have to remember which will come first in which will come in step 1. Here we can see PAs came first, and why it is first, how we will remember. We can remember to look this P. P for primary. P for primary, so we can remember like this. P is primary, so P is it comes first. And second step, carbon dioxide. In this carbon dioxide, here we can look at the 2, and this to see the 2, we can remember that this carbon dioxide will come in step 2. In third step will come bicarbonate. Here you can look 3, then you can remember that in step 3 on this chart it will come this bicarbonate. So it's easy, right? And another technique also, you can remember according to our body setup, lungs will be top, and not will be lungs in the top, and bottom line kidney in the bottom. So top we will get lungs, this carbon dioxide related to lungs, and bicarbonate related to kidney, so that according to organ setup we can also remember who is one will come first. I hope all of us understood that this chart setup, and in next phase we will try to memorize this normal value. And if we how we can remember this normal value. First we have to memorize this PA's normal value. PA's normal value is 7.35 to 7.45. If we hide this 7, then we will get 35 to 45. And this 35 to 45 is the normal value of the carbon dioxide. And bicarbonate normal value is 22 to 26. We have to memorize that. And another memorization tips is, if these two these 3 2 we will add, we will calculate, we will get 6. So 22 to 26, this number we can also remember through this. So we have to memorize this normal value. So PA is normal value what? 7.35 to 7.45. Carbon dioxide normal value 35 to 45. And bicarbonate, here it will be 3. Bicarbonate normal value 22 to 26. Now we will go phase 3. Now we will label our chart. Here we can see A, B, B, A, B. So what is A and what is B? We have to know, right? A for acid. A for acid, that means acidosis. B for base. B for base, that means alkalosis. So if PA normal value is below 7.35, what will be diagnosis? Here, according to formula or according to chart, it already written that this in PA is we have to write like this. First step A, B, second step B, A opposite, and third step A and B, or ABA or BAB. If pH normal value is below to 7.35, then what will be diagnosis? Here, according to chart already written here, diagnosis will be acidosis. If over, then diagnosis will be base, that means alkalosis. In case of carbon dioxide, if less than 35, diagnosis will be B, that means base, that means what? So alkalosis, and if over, it will be acidosis, so 45. And same as for bicarbonate also, according to formula here written A, if less than 22, it will be acidosis, if less than 26, it will be alkalosis. I hope all of us understood that about this chart. Now we will go to interpretation. This interpretation we will interpret in 3 steps. First steps, we know that we are memorizing, or memory trick is P is for primary. So according to chart, pH will come first, and also during interpretation you will look here first. If you will get any report for ABG, you have to look on pH value. It is acidosis or alkalosis. Here, according to our chart, already mentioned that if below it will be A, if over it will be B. So, according to here, if below 7.35, it will be acidosis. If over, then it will be alkalosis. And in case of carbon dioxide, what will be? If below, it will be base. If over, it will be acid. And in case of bicarbonate, what will be? If less, it will be acid. If over, it will be base. So in first step, this is not our discussion point. For ABG interpretation, first we need to look pH value. It is below or it is over. So in step 2, we will see one example, and in step 2, what we have to do, that also we will discuss here. Here, one example given that pH under 7.35, that means this is minimum normal value. Here 7.35 below, and according to formula, what is here? A. So pH what? pH what? pH is acidosis. So first steps here complete. pH under 7.35. So pH under 7.35, that means A, this is acidosis. So what we got? We got this pH value is acidosis. Secondly, they told carbon dioxide over 45. Over 45, anything will be here, 46, 47, 48, 50. So if over, here we can look our second formula in according to chart BA. So here A over 45, that means A also for acid. Acid is for acidosis. So carbon dioxide, here we got acidosis. Carbon dioxide related to lungs. In second step, actually we have to match the abnormal point. with the pH. If pH is acidosis, we have to find among two acidosis. According to example, this bicarbonate value is normal. So no need to see here because this is already normal. But in step 2, we have to find out pH match. We got pH value acidosis, so we have to find this which portion is matching with pH, that means acidosis. We got acidosis, we have to find the acidosis. Here we already got the acidosis, and this acidosis where we got in the carbon dioxide value. Carbon dioxide is acidosis. Carbon dioxide related to respiratory. Why carbon dioxide related to lungs? Lungs related to respiratory system. So according to example, what will be diagnosis? Respiratory acidosis. Respiratory acidosis. I hope all of us understood this uh, step 2. Let's do another practice. I will give you one example, like if pH value is 7.55, carbon dioxide is 48, and bicarbonate is 27. Now you interpret this example. So according to formula, we have to look on first pH. pH value we got what? 7.75. 7.75, it's over the normal value. So here we got B. B for what? B for base. That means alkalosis. B for, so pH is alkalosis. We got P, base is alkalosis. Now carbon dioxide 48. That means over. That means A. What we got? We got A. A for acidosis. Carbon dioxide acidosis. And bicarbonate what? Bicarbonate 27. That means over. For over, what come? According to formula, this is B. B for base. So it is B. Bicarbonate alka bicarbonate alkalosis. So in step 2, what we have to do? We have to find pH match. pH we got B, so we have to find B. Where we got B? In carbon dioxide? No. In carbon dioxide we didn't get this B. We got in carbon dioxide A. So we got here we got B. pH match we got. So pH is already alkalosis. So we got here bicarbonate alkalosis. So now we have to diagnose finally. So we already got alkalosis. So which kind of alkalosis? It is respiratory or it is metabolic. We got pH match on where? In bicarbonate. In bicarbonate is related to which part? Kidney. Kidney is related to metabolic. So this final diagnosis will be metabolic alkalosis. I hope all of us understood this point, how we are interpreting this ABG. It is very easy, right? So now in step 3 we will discuss these diagnoses. This ABG is compensated or uncompensated or partially compensated. I will discuss in the step 3 of ABG interpretation. Here we will try to discuss that there is very common question, this ABG is compensated or uncompensated. How we will understand this ABG is compensated? Here nicely written that when we will consider ABG is fully compensated, if pH value is normal and other two, either carbon dioxide or bicarbonate is abnormal, that will be considered fully compensated because pH is normal. If we will get pH value is in normal range, we will consider that is fully compensated. And while we will consider that is partially compensated, if all three, that means pH, carbon dioxide and bicarbonate, all three are abnormal, then it will be considered partially compensated. And when it will be uncompensated, if pH is abnormal and among these two, either carbon dioxide or either bicarbonate abnormal, only one will be abnormal, then it will be considered uncompensated ABG. I hope all of us understood about while we will consider ABG is fully compensated while partially compensated, and when we will count as this uncompensated. Very easy. If pH value is normal, either it could be carbon dioxide or bicarbonate abnormal. It could be. No problem. If pH is normal, this diagnosis, this ABG is compensated. And when it will consider partially compensated, if all three values are abnormal, that is partially compensated. While uncompensated, pH will be abnormal, and among these two, that means either carbon dioxide or bicarbonate, anyone, only one is abnormal, pH is also abnormal, and among two only one is abnormal, that time also it will consider uncompensated ABG. So viewers, I hope all of us understood this ABG interpretation. This video is little bit longer, but it is very vital. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. I will answer. I will discuss further if you have any problem. Thank you all.